Hey guys, back here with Creative Rods. I'm here with Vince, and we are going through his pretty amazing personal collections. I do have to say, I've been looking around here, and I'm like, what?
Thank you.
And you were actually saying this is one of your favorite cars, the Corvette. You want to go a little more into this?
Sure. Ever since I was a little boy, I always wanted a 1967 Corvette with the side pipes, convertible. So I bought one about a year ago. And up until that point, I could never tell anyone. They would always say, "What's your favorite car?" And I didn't have an answer. Well, I've got an answer now because this is my favorite car. The color, the convertible, the side pipes, the motor. That's my favorite.
Awesome. So tell me what's under this hood, because I'm curious what's going on under here.
This is a big block 427 motor. It's a tri-power.
Okay, and what exactly is tri-power?
Okay, tri-power is it's got three carburetors, three two-barrel carburetors on it, which is different than just one four-barrel. So this is a tri-power car, which adds a little more value as well to it. But I bought this car just because it was in such great condition. It was restored by someone else, but it's just they've done a really good job on it. So the sound, us men, we like that deep sound, and this has got it, so it's just a fun car.
You like to be loud and furious,
That's
Fast
right.
and the Furious.
That's right. I want everybody to hear me when I'm coming.
Awesome. Well, it's beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Thank you.